We are 2 days out from Gazzanats 2018. The whole car's back together. We've got all pressure. Just finishing off some wiring with the computer system. Hopefully should start tonight. We've got a pair of cables that come out of the firewall there. Shit, let me do that up. So it's front and rear there. All the bulkheads, so the feed return line and the clutch line there. I made this neat switchboard here for the isolator, ignition, front and rear start. Made up this panel here. So the old system, this aluminium used to go right to the roof. It's a pain in the ass, you couldn't see out the back window when you're driving. So now with this new system in the back here, we'll be able to have a mirror and see flush straight out the back window. New fuel system's done. I've made all this up just with some aluminium sheets and some 20 by 20 box section there. So we've got twin 04 external fuel pumps. This system's set up that I can run 4 when I need to, but just for now, 1 pump each engine's going to be heaps. We've got the ProFlow 19 litre fuel tank, rollover valve there, which goes through a bulkhead through the floor, 6mm wire for each fuel pump. The bulkhead comes through, goes to a fuel Turbo Smart fuel filter, to the rail. There's the fuel pressure regulator for the rear engine, then that comes up and we've got a bulkhead fitting here, so return for rear engine, return for front engine. Just need to make up some tabs across here so I can run the hard lines to the front engine across that, and then to those fittings right there. So I'll try and get that done tonight. The clutch and brake system is just sitting here for now, roughly where I want it. Because these are a reverse mounted setup, they don't attach to the firewall anymore, so trying to make up a structure to hold that was definitely a pain in the ass. Yeah, I'll get some plate, mount them up just to get the pedal heights the same. The brakes, clutch will work.
Glue, please. Yeah, what, glue?
Fucking 20 minutes ago.
I need glue, please.
Getting glue, we're getting glue.
We probably have to mark things before we glue them. You want to glue it through this, Barry, or do you want to put screws on these ones?
It was now about 1:15 in the morning. I've got the Gazzanats on in 7 hours, everything in the car's just about done, and we had all the boys come in today and get a whole heap done, which was really good help. I've made all the covers in the back, got all the seats back in, all the wiring all hidden away, brakes all in, brakes working, bled up, working good. After all that, there's an oil leak somewhere. So we got an oil leak behind the timing cover somewhere. Pull this timing belt off and we'll have a look in there and see what we can find. So I've taken the harmonic balancer off. Luckily none of the seals are leaking because they're brand new. Oil pump's not leaking. Looks like there's something leaking out of the corner there. So I'm thinking I might just give that a degrease, put some sealant in there, and that's just going to have to do for tomorrow. It's only just dripping, so it's not too bad. Or, hang on, I just saw that, the gap in the sump there. Maybe I've missed a bit of silicone. Yeah, right there. Okay, that's the problem there, I've missed some silicone. Alright. I'll glue that bad boy in there and we'll be good for tomorrow. Thank fuck for that.